Hi, my name is Ilkka Lähdesmäki. I'm Chief Scientist at FIAlab Instruments. Today we're learning about the instrumentation and operation of the anionic surfactant assay. The necessary instrumentation consists of the following components. We have an autosampler, reagents necessary for the assay, a peristaltic pump, and then the FIAlyzer-FLEX analyzer, together with its fluidic manifold on the lower part and a detector on the upper part. The samples is picked up from an autosampler. It travels through the autosampler probe, propelled by the pump towards the analyzer. The sample is first mixed with an alkaline solution of methylene blue as well as chloroform to extract the anionic surfactant from the sample into the organic chloroform phase. The mixture goes through a mixing coil to complete the extraction, and you can see separated segments of organic and aqueous phase traveling through the tubing as well as through the mixing coil. A hydrophobic membrane is used to separate the organic phase and the aqueous phase. The organic phase traveling on to the next step, which is interference removal. An acidic stream of methylene blue is added to the organic phase. Under acidic conditions, interference are removed from the organic phase, and the interference removal is completed by the mixture flowing through another mixing coil over here. Again, a hydrophobic membrane is used to separate the aqueous phase and the organic phase. And now the organic phase travels onto a detector flow cell that measures the color intensity in the organic phase. The data from the absorbance detector is collected by the control software FIAsoft. You can see a peak corresponding to each sample analyzed by the instrument. This was a short tutorial on the anionic surfactant assay. Please contact FIAlab for any further information that you would like. Thank you.